Good morning, this is Kelly, and I'm on beautiful Jacksonville Beach, raw high, having my beautiful green kale, lemon, and OJ this morning. I'm drinking a pound, and today I wanted to focus on the two key ingredients, my two secrets to staying on a raw food diet. Number one is stay fully raw, and number two is to never run out of raw, fresh, beautiful, organic food. I always have bananas and packages or raw almond butter or raw cashew butter or some type of raw nut butter to spread on my banana. Always have that in my purse or in my briefcase or in my backpack. You never want to run out of raw food because that is when you get really hungry. Now I want to talk about why I believe the 100% raw diet works the best for me. David and I learned about the raw food diet from Victoria Batanko in 2009. She's my raw guru. We went to her lecture on her book, Green for Life, and she said staying 100% raw was easier than bouncing around. So David and I went 100% raw for 6 months, and our brains had different thoughts. We could not wait to wake up in the morning at 5:30. We couldn't wait to create. We wanted to invent something, write a book, run several miles. Basically, you have endless energy. And then after the 6 months, we started introducing some vegan food into our raw diet, and the high definitely dropped. And therefore, now I'm promoting fully raw. Once in a while I go off, especially when I'm traveling, but I miss the high so much. So I hope that you watch my YouTubes, hit like and subscribe to follow me, because I have so many exciting adventures to take you on while I'm raw high. My next YouTube will be raw on a budget, because that to me is one of the, probably the third challenge, is maintaining a raw food diet on a budget. Have a great day.